Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do bees make honey? Step 1. Worker bees collect nectar. When the worker bee has found a good source of nectar, she gets to work. Step 2. Worker bees pass the nectar to house bees. Step 3. The bees dehydrate the honey. Step 4. The bees cap the honeycomb with beeswax. The 16th of October 2019.
Take our lead.
For some vegans, this extends to honey, because it is produced from the labor of bees. Honey-avoiding vegans believe that exploiting the labor of bees and then harvesting their energy source is immoral, and they point out that large-scale beekeeping operations can harm or kill bees. 17 October 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Originally answered, is the production of honey possible without honeybees? No. Without honeybees there will be no pollination, and without pollination there will be no plants and flowers, so technically no nectar, so no honey without honeybees.
Take our lead.
Honeybees eat nectar or honey for a carbohydrate source and pollen for a protein source. There is, surprisingly, fiber in the honey and pollen, therefore, honeybees do produce feces, sometimes called frass.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.